right, we have new MacBook Pros. We have a new 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro, now powered by M5 Pro and M5 Max chips. I know plenty of people have been waiting for these models. I'm just briefly going to do a hands-on, just the first impressions of these new MacBooks. I think many people were waiting for an upgraded M5 chip. So now we finally have these. Yeah, let's dive into the colors. Let's dive into the models and the specs together. Let's go. Okay, so let's start with the beast. So this is the 16-inch one powered by the M5 Max chips, which is absolutely a beast. As you can see, 64 gigabytes of unified memory. Yeah, this one is extremely powerful, one of the most powerful MacBooks Apple ever made. So this is the space gray one, the darker one. You have the 14-inch model here on the other side. This one is powered by the new M5 Pro chip, which I believe is plenty capable for many people. So yeah, but besides that, not much has changed compared to the previous generation of MacBooks. We still have HDMI, USB-C ports, SD card slot. We have two Thunderbolt ports, MagSafe, and an audio jack. And yeah, this is the 14-inch model, my personal favorite. I absolutely love the 14-inch one that I have. It's extremely portable, and the battery holds really well. I plan on upgrading to this model personally, but yeah, for people that want more power and more performance, obviously they have to go for a 16-inch one. And next to the 14-inch here in space gray, you have the silver one here. Look at that gorgeous display. This is the silver MacBook Pro 14-inch model. Trackpad is actually different than what we have on the Neo. We can go into the specs. Let's check what we have here. Okay, so here we have an absolute beast. So Apple M5 Max, 128 gigabytes of unified memory. So yeah, this is a silver 14-inch one, classic and portable, gorgeous finish. And let's head over to the 16-inch silver one. Then we have had all four of them. So this is the silver 16-inch MacBook Pro powered by the M5 Max chip, 64 gigabytes of unified memory, plenty capable, plenty powerful. Just the MacBook that we used to see. Although you have to check out the trackpad. Like the trackpad on these compared to the keyboards is massive, because if you have a closer look at the 14-inch one, which is right here, you can see how the ratio actually is. And compared to the MacBook Neo, you can see the speaker system here is on the sides, and the MacBook Neo has it here on the bottom, left and right. Speakers facing sideways and here up. So I'd love to do like a sound comparison test between both devices. But yeah, these are all the MacBooks. MacBook Pro with M5 Max and M5 Pro. So obviously, next to the MacBook Pro models, we also have the new MacBook Air models, now powered by M5. On the outside, they look pretty similar to what we had with the M4, but I briefly want to go through all the colors with you. So yeah, let's dive into the four colors that we have. All right, so the most subtle one, this is the starlight finish. Doesn't really look like a silver, but has this really soft, blushy, golden effect. So yeah, this is the starlight finish, and next to that we have the midnight. It's not really a black, but more a bluish black. It's pretty dark, and this is the midnight one. Touch ID right here, and as you know, the new MacBook Air now has the M5 chip. This is the 32 gigabyte unified memory version. And next to that, we have the subtle silver, the classic Apple color. We are familiar with that one. Really Apple-ish. Almost every Mac should be silver. That should be the default. And lastly, we go to the sky blue one. A very subtle blue finish. I think for a MacBook Air, this is maybe one of the perfect colors. Air blue, sky blue. Makes a lot of sense that Apple has this color exclusively for the MacBook Air. So yeah, these are all the MacBook Air models that we have, all the colors. So again, sky blue, silver, midnight, and lastly starlight. Drop in the comments what you think is the best looking MacBook Air. My personal favorite is actually the sky blue one because that really fits the profile of Air. I'd love to hear your thoughts.